Hey everyone, today we are looking at the industrial VECELO 5-piece counter height dining set. This beautiful set features a marble or wood texture that fits perfectly in any modern kitchen space. You can easily tuck all 4 chairs under the table to save room in small apartments or nooks. The durable steel and wood frame supports several hundred pounds on the table and every ergonomic stool. Enjoy a spacious tabletop that provides ample room for your plates, cups, and lovely decorations. Maintenance is completely effortless with a simple cleaner, and the included hardware makes assembly very fast. This versatile furniture set brings industrial charm to your kitchen, dining room, or breakfast nook. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.